Namaste everyone. If you're new here, my name is Hitan and I've been teaching Hindi from past 5 years and I've helped countless students to reach Hindi fluency. Today, we'll be talking about 10 Hindi phrases. If you know them, it means you have a very good Hindi level. So let's get to it. The first phrase we have is Aap kaise hain, which means how are you? Now, of course, this one is pretty easy and it's a very useful one because when you are meeting someone, you will want to ask them how they are doing. Let's see if you know the next one. That brings us to the second phrase, which is Mujhe samajh nahi aaya. Now you'll realize that the difficulty level has just gone a bit up, and this is what we'll do in this whole video. Every phrase that you will hear will be a little harder than the last phrase. So, Mujhe samajh nahi aaya, which means I did not understand. I did not understand is मुझे समझ नहीं आया. The third phrase we have is कितने पैसे हुए. कितने पैसे हुए. Now this one is very useful if you go to India and you want to ask someone how much something cost. That would be कितने पैसे हुए, which means how much is it. How much is it is कितने पैसे हुए. पैसे is money in Hindi. The fourth one we have is मुझे मदद चाहिए. I'm going to pronounce it again so you can see the pronunciation as well. मुझे मदद चाहिए. मुझे मदद चाहिए, which means I need help. Now, of course, if you go to a foreign country like India, which is huge, and you might get into some situation where you'll need someone's help. So it's perfect phrase to learn. मुझे मदद चाहिए, which of course means I need help. The fifth phrase we have is, a lot of people struggle to admit this thing, which is मुझे माफ कीजिए. मुझे माफ कीजिए, which means I am sorry. Now, of course, a lot of people in any language struggle to say something or admit something wrong that they have done. That is why मुझे माफ कीजिए is also a very useful phrase in Hindi. Just a simple phrase. I am sorry. मुझे माफ कीजिए. It's not that hard. The sixth one we have is, this is a pretty easy one. People are used to say मैं अच्छा हूँ, मैं अच्छी हूँ, which of course means I'm good. But you could also say I am okay, which is मैं ठीक हूँ. I am okay is मैं ठीक हूँ. The seventh one we have is also money related. Let's see if you get this one right. And this one is ये कितने का है. ये कितने का है. Now, if you're about to ask price of something, you haven't bought it, because the previous phrase we did was you already asking someone how much is it. But this one is a bit different. This is you're asking someone how much does this cost. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it, but I just want to know the price of it. And that is ये कितने का है, which means how much does this cost. How much does this cost? ये कितने का है. That brings us to the eighth one, which is मुझे ये पसंद है. मुझे ये पसंद है. If you go to India, you'll be using this phrase a lot, which is I like this. I like this is मुझे ये पसंद है, and पसंद is to like. So मुझे ये पसंद है, I like this. The ninth phrase that we have is, this is going to be super useful. If you're going to India, you know Indians tend to speak a bit fast. They don't like to wait and just everyone is in a bit of hurry. So what you can do is you can ask them to speak slowly, and believe me, you ask anyone to speak slowly, they would gladly do so. No one's ever gonna have any problem that, oh, I don't want to speak slowly just because so you can understand. That is not the case. If you ask someone to speak slowly, they will. That is why you need to know the phrase speak slowly, which is धीरे धीरे बोलिए. You see, it is a repetitive word. धीरे धीरे, slowly. धीरे धीरे बोलिए. धीरे धीरे बोलिए. Speak slowly or speak a bit slowly. The 10th and the last phrase that we have is फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. This one is a useful one because if you meet someone, you want them to know that you'll meet them again. And that's why you can say फिर मिलेंगे, which is I'll see you again. Okay, so these were the 10 most common Hindi phrases in Hindi. Let's recap them. So if you didn't know any one of these, if you still remember or not, let's see. First one was आप कैसे हैं. Second was मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Third one was कितने पैसे हुए. कितने पैसे हुए. Fourth was मुझे मदद चाहिए. मुझे मदद चाहिए. Fifth one was मुझे माफ कीजिए. मुझे माफ कीजिए. Sixth was मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. Seventh ये कितने का है. ये कितने का है. Eighth one मुझे ये पसंद है. मुझे ये पसंद है. Ninth one धीरे धीरे बोलिए और थोड़ा धीरे धीरे बोलिए. And the 10th and the last one was फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. So these were the 10 most common phrases in Hindi that if you know them, it will tell you what kind of level in Hindi you already have. Let me know in the comments how many of them you got right. And if you want to check your Hindi level by vocabulary words, then I made a video about it, which you'll see somewhere here or in the link down below, which you can check and you can know 10 vocabulary words that will tell you if your Hindi is excellent or not. It's okay if it's not, you're getting there. And if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. That would be very, very helpful. That would be amazing. And you can also check out my socials, Instagram and TikTok. That is what usually I'm more available on and post short form of content. And if I could use one phrase from the 10 phrases we did today, it would be फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे.